Whoa, this storm swell is intense. The pier's shaking like crazy.
We need to get through safely. Motorbike, any ideas?
All right, I'll aim for the finish line, but the pier's getting slippery. I see a smarter route on the left. I'll guide us through it. The shaking lines are throwing me off balance. I need some backup.
Stay calm, Motorbike. I'll stabilize the rig. Ambulance, keep guiding.
Got it. We're running out of time. The clock's ticking fast now. Almost there. One clear move will lock the rig in place. Trust me. Locked in. The cargo's secure. We did it together. Whew, what a ride. Teamwork saved the day on this pier. Watch. The cargo's settled and the storm's easing up. What a moment.
Cheers, everyone. We pulled off something great today.